everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to use chemicals to unclog your toilet. One thing that could cause your toilet to be clogged is actually the water itself. What happens is the water has a lot of lime in it, and it'll actually build up in the curve on your toilet. For this job, we'll be using some hot water and a chemical pipe cleaner. So the hot water actually helps to break that stuff off once the chemical comes into contact with it. So we'll go ahead and pour our hot water in. Right into the toilet, and then go ahead and put your chemicals in right on top of that. What happens is it creates a vacuum with that much water in there, which will suck it down through the pipes and allow it to sit in the curve of your toilet and go on down into the pipes. You want to let it sit there for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you'll go ahead and flush the toilet. Using chemicals to unclog your toilet can actually be very beneficial to help remove all that buildup in your pipes. It could actually lengthen the life of your toilet, so you can save a little bit of money. Instead of putting out a new toilet, you can clean out the old one. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.